This video demonstrates how to register and configure your Office 365 tenant in Sigsync. To manage email signatures for your entire company or organization from a centralized location, you must first register and configure your Office 365 tenant in Sigsync. You can also register multiple tenants and manage their signatures from a single Sigsync dashboard. Let's go through the steps to register and configure your Office 365 tenant in Sigsync. Navigate to the Sigsync homepage and click the Sign In button. To access the Sigsync dashboard, create an account on Sigsync using your email, or log in directly with your Office 365 credentials. Let's sign in with your Office 365 tenant account credentials. Click the Add Tenant Now button. Follow the instructions and click the Continue button to proceed. Log in using your Office 365 Global Admin account. Accept the requested permissions to continue. Select the geolocation of the Sigsync server, then click the Continue button. Wait a few minutes for the tenant registration to complete. Your tenant has been added successfully. Click the Continue button to proceed with signature setup. Click the Authorize button to continue with signature configuration. Use your Office 365 Global Admin account for authentication. If you're configuring it for the first time, you can use a test group to try it with a few users before applying it organization-wide. Select all users groups to apply the signature to every user in your Microsoft 365 tenant. If you want to apply the signature only to members of specific Azure Active Directory groups in your Office 365 tenant, select the Specific Groups option. Click the Choose Groups button, select the required group, and then click OK to proceed. The selected AD groups will be displayed. Now click the Continue button to proceed. Click the Configure button to continue with the Sigsync signature configuration. Signature configuration may take a few minutes to complete. Click the Deploy Add-in button to deploy the add-in in your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You will be redirected to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center for add-in deployment. Start by selecting the users or groups who will be using the add-in. Select the Just Me option to deploy the add-in only for your own admin account. To deploy the add-in for all users, select the Entire Organization option. To deploy the add-in to selected users, choose the Specific Users Groups option and add the required users or group. Here, you can check the add-in permissions and capabilities. Then click Next. Finish deployment. Wait until the deployment is complete. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you will still need to wait for the add-in to propagate across your organization. It can take up to 72 hours for the add-in to appear in Outlook. Now, the signature configuration is successful. You can create and manage your signature. That's it. Your tenant has been added and configured successfully. You can find the registered tenant in the Sigsync dashboard. You can add multiple tenants by clicking the Add More Tenant button. You can now create your own signature templates and configure signature rules. Try Sigsync for free today.